Hello mga ma'am sir. Our ingredients for today is we're going to be making kimchi. So we're having of course cabbage. This is not included, but we can have also sayote. Ayan, I wanted to put sayote, cabbage. We have here the patis. The onion leeks, the garlic, the carrots, and then the where's the sibuyas? The sibuyas, sibuyas, ayan, sibuyas, bawang, patis, the onion leek, the carrots, the radish, the sayote, and the wombok. And the meat is not included. So before that, I will be boiling water with salt. Ayan, I had already put salt in here. To dyan natin ibababad yung ating wombok para matanggal ang kanyang pesticide. Ayan, pesticide spray. So let's wait for it until mag-heat. Of course, sa sink, hugasan natin ang ating wombok. Ayan, ganyan natin sa ating wombok. Kasi gusto ko siyang medyo buo. Ayan. Ayan, so sa ating chopping board, i-chop natin ang ating wombok let's divide our wombok into. Ayan. Ganyan lang natin siya. And I'm going to divide it into 3, the wombok, and then of course, we'll put it in here. Ayan. So we have here 2 head of wombok. Ayan, 2 wombok. Like that. And then of course, we're going to wash the wombok with water. Let's see if there is wormy. I think may butas-butas naman yung wombok, kaya carry lang. Ayan. Yan ang ating kimchi. Ayan, so yan na yung ating So let's put some salt. And let's kiwar. Until it's hot. Ayan. Then we're going to wash again our wombok here. Let's babad the wombok. Ayan, so because it's hot already, let's wash the wombok into salty. And while we soak the wombok or the bagyo pechay into the salty water, let us proceed to the slicing of the onions. Ayan, so in a blender, we have here the Chinese chili powder. So we have 1 cup. We have 1 cup in here. So let's put it in here. And we have the garlic. Ayan, the garlic. And we're going to slice the Ayan. I think I need more. Another one. There you go. And I would like to add more. And of course, a cup of water. And our patis. 1 cup of patis. And of course, gusto ko siyang medyo manamis-tamis. So I'm going to put 1 cup of sugar. Ayan, so here we are. Let's blend it. Okay, in a pan we have 1 cup of water, and we also have the glutinous rice. So let's put glutinous rice. Ito yung nagpapalapot. And we have here the 1 cup. Ayan. So let's stir. So we have to stir it until thicken, until we have the consistency of lapot-lapot. So we're done, and we're going to be putting our washed wombok into the. Let's put it in here first, like that. So we have here the sauce that we had made, like that. I'm putting more of it. So we already have our crispy kimchi, our crispy and saucy kimchi. Let's put this aside. So we have the fresh carrots, of course. We're done with our fresh carrots. So let's add our fresh carrots. And then of course, we're going to do it like this way, because that's the secret ingredients of making kimchi. Okay, let's put this aside again. Next is we have our radish. Our radish is, I want it like this way because I want it bigger, like longer chorba. So here we're done with our radish. That is our radish. And so let's put it together with the kimchi. Yan. Yan. Don't worry, I already washed my hands, and anyway, this is for our own food, so it's okay. Yan. And of course, for more, I'm going to be putting onion leek. Just like that, simple. Like that. Ni hygiene, paano mo na hygiene? Kunak no, umay nga kuna na hindi naman man. And that is our kimchi. And yan, so let us stack that for at least 5 hours. So we have here the Tupperware that we're going to transfer our kimchi. Bye. So we have it in here. Let us transfer our. And there you go. We have our Ozy Saucy kimchi. So if you want more, please subscribe, share, like, and comment our YouTube channel, Papa Johnny Katawa, to our kimchi recipe. Thank you so much and God bless. Okay, so we're here with our kimchi, and I'm going to share my kimchi that I've made. So lagyan natin siya ng anich. Yan. Okay, so this kimchi is for Ate Feby. Bahala naman na siya kung paano niya i-share. Yan. For you, Ate Feby.